match is tied. And all one for both teams.
Tiger, no rivals, no shake on my arrival. Unleash that beast. My cause I show my teeth. They can't stop my fire. All they can do is just watch me climb higher. Can't stop, they can't stop, they can't stop my
Now serving Coach Ramon Sanchez. First serve on Team Nexus. Now serving CJ Orlando. Good serve. I want to go check. Bumigay sa net. Score 1-0.
I'll be the first to cross that line. Can't stop, they can't stop my fire. All they can do is just
Now serving CJ Orlando.
they can't stop, they can't stop.
Good serve. Service ace on CJ Orlando. Service error. Now serving Asha Babor. Good serve. Angat ni Chad. Sinit na edge. Coach Gil. Inies na walang glida. Chance ball for Team Nexus. Sinit. Chad. Solid block by Coach Chen. Now serving Asha Babor. Sharp serve. One Chad. Send edge. Chad. Another blocking point by Coach Chen. One of UP's powers is inside the court. Sharp serve. One Chad. Malagas ang bola. Service ace of Labor. Sharp serve on CJ. Send edge. Gil. Dinap ball. Wala pa sa gitna. Smart move by Coach Gil. Now serving edge. Good serve. Nahuan, Asha, Ilover, chance ball for Team Nexus. Big set, drop ball, na-block. Send the follow, Coach Gil. And a joust point on Coach Gil Astel. Score style and on court. Now serving edge. Good serve. On Coach Sinet, Ronchem. Striking error. Good serve. On Coach Sinet Liga. Over in his spur. Transfer for Team Nexus. Pinalo. Paso na block. A point for Team Dinidals. Coach displaying his blocking skills as he is one of UP's tallest blockers. On follow. Set Gil. Chad, Pinabo. Nakuha ni Smads. Sinet. Chance ball, Pinalo. Coach Chen. Jean. Lilihes. Lilihes. Sa kabilang kanto. Now serving. Jean Osteria. Will serve on Coche. Sinet. Over. Pinalo ni Paulo. Good point. Crowd is cheering for Nexus. Will serve. Saved by Asha. Over ni Whisper. Chance ball for Nexus. Big set. Over ni Paulo. Nakapunta si Paulo. Change of favors. Score is now at 8-6. Now serving, Kochi. Good serve, now Coach Ramon. Sinet, Kochem. Black by Paulo Cachuela. One of Nexus. Tallest Towers. Kumito na. Knock over. Nagmamadali po si Kochi. Now serving. Coach Shem Laureta. Down low. Outside. Good ball by Jill Oster. The crowd is happy. Now serving. Chad versus. Down serve. Not over. Score 10-8. Now serving Miss Mans. Good serve. Nakuha ni Ash. Sinet. Ang miscommunication of Team Nexus. Good serve. One shot. Set edge. Paulo, pumalo. Sinangat ni Miss Mads. Over ni Coach Chen. Chance ball ng Team Nexus. Sinet. CJ. Off the street. Sinet. Coach Chen. Over. CJ. Sinet kay CJ. CJ. Pinalo. Outside. Score is time. At Alter. Now serving. Miss Mads. Messina. Serve. Not Coach B. Send edge. Paulo. 1-2. Meron Miss Mads. Dinrap ball. Dinrap siya. Send ni Paulo. Bina on. Bina on. Ni CJ Cubana. Now serving. Rashida Thomas. One of our youngest participants. Good serve. Outside. Score is time. At now serving. Lyda Villanueva. Good serve. Outside. No room for error on this championship battle. Any error will lead to a crucial point. Good serve. One serve. Sinet. Coachem. Dinrapol sa dulo. Kabon. Head. Sa save match. Walang follow-up. Score. All 12. Now serving. Coach Ramon. Down low. Target si Chad. Sinet sa open. Coach Jean. Lilihes ang palo. Now serving. CJ Cubana. Good serve. Coach Chef. Sinet niya siya. That that is an off-the-block spike by Koche.
Your words up on the wall.
Now serving at the ball.
Mukha yun na pang black name.
Good serve, Paolo. Set and Gil, bumawi. Buwa. First ball, second ball, Coach Gil. Drop ball. And that is a point for Team Nexus. Our set coaches display their true talents inside the SPL Season 1. Bowling serve by Edge na one check. And that will lead to a crucial error. Good serve. One Kochem. Grab ball. Save na siya. Dinelek. Fastball for Team Nexus. Select. Ojil. Pinalo. Pinuntos. Score 16-13. Now serving. Edge. Good serve. One Kochem. Select ni Coach Ramon. Walang follow up. Good serve. One Coach Chen. One babaw. Select sa tres. Pinalo na block by Coach Gil, Australia. Good serve. One Coach Chen. Select Coach Ramon. Pinalo. Pinalo ni Coach Shem Laureta. Now serving score. Good serve. One foul. Sinet. Over. Chance ball on Team Digging Dots. Display. Chance ball on Team Nexus outside. Score is now at 19-40. Jump look. Ako ni Coach Shem. Coach Ramon, Sinet. Coach Shem, binaon. Sa cross. Hahabol kaya ang Team Digging Dots. Now serving, Coach Shem. Jump look, short serve. Ako ni Chad. Sinet. Chad. Push short for a spike. Short serve, ako ni Chad. Dinrap ball pa kanan. Coach Ramon. Nahabol na po ang Digging Dots. 19-17. Sharp serve outside. A crucial error. Now serving, Chad Jesus. Digging Dots needs a receiving dish. Awal Coach Shem. Sinet. Over ni Coach Ramon. Chance ball on Team Nexus. Sinet sa open, CJ. Pinalo. Now serving, Chad Jesus. Good serve. Service ace by Chad Jesus. On a very crucial moment, high risk, high reward. Will there be another ace serve again? Serve. Ahua. Pinalik ni Misman. Chance ball on Team Nexus. First ball, second ball, Paolo. Dinrap ball. Ang drop ball ay nakapuntos. Warning 17. serve. Nakuha ni Coach Shem. And that will lead to a match point on Team Nexus. Good serve, nakuha ni Coach Shem, binilik. Ginawa ni Paolo. Sinet ni CJ, tinapos na ba? Tinapos na nga! Ang third set.
Sakto. Sakto mamaya.
Hinihingal na raw po si Coach Shem. One of the disadvantages of a best of 5 match is that the players will be in an exhausting situation.
Hindi mo na kaya?
Sino papalit sa akin? Walang papalit.